Mathematics for class 10, unit number 5, sets and functions, exercise 5.3. Question number 3, if universal set is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 7 and set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B is equal to 3, 4, 5, then verify. We have question in the book. Then draw Venn diagram for A complement, B complement, A complement union B complement, A complement intersection B complement, and also verify first A commutative property for union. A union B is equal to B union A, and commutative property for intersection. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. We have to solve first A complement, B complement, and A complement union B complement, and B complement intersection A complement intersection B complement. We then draw here Venn diagram for A complement. Universal set. We can write here universal set and set A. Set A have elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and this set universal set contains 1, 2 up to 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are we know that A complement set is a set of all elements which are not included set A and elements of set universal set. So the other elements contains in universal set but not common with set A are called A complement. So A complement is a set such like that. We can say that A complement set contains 5, 6 and 7, these three elements, and we can say that this is A complement. And next we have to find B complement. Set B have elements 3, 4 and 5, and universal set have element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This has only 6, 7. 6 and 7. So we know that B complement set contains all elements other than set B. So we color outer side of set B contains all elements of universal sets not common with set B. This is called B complement. Next we have to show A complement union B complement. These Venn diagrams are very interesting. If you have feel some problem, you can find this set first and then plot them into this diagram. First you have for drawing this Venn diagram, first of all check the common elements of both sets A and B. You observe that 3, 4 is the common element with both sets, so we can draw here as set A and set B such like that 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and universal set have elements other than A, B is only 6 and 7. We can say that this is A complement is the set. We have to find A complement union B complement. It means the union of these two sets. We observe that A complement set contains all elements 5, 6, 7. 5, 6 and 7. So we color Can you understand this easily? This is the set A complement. And now we have to find A complement union B complement. Next we have to find B complement. B complement set have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7. These elements are contained in five. B complement. If you feel some write A complement union B complement, this is equal to, you can write all elements of A complement and B complement. A complement set contains 5, 6, 7. Union B complement contains elements 1, 2, 6 and 7. And this set contains, yes, this have 5, 6, 7, or we can arrange them 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 5, 6 and 7. So here you can see that the all portion colored, which is having one color or two color, this is called A complement union B complement. And non-color portion which is not colored, simple white color, in white color, this is not included in this set. I think it's clear now. Next we have A complement intersection B complement. A complement intersection B complement. We have to draw here. Set A have elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and set B have element 5, and this set universal set have element 6 and 7. We can say that A complement intersection B complement. So we observe that these two sets are A complement and B complement, and the elements which are common in both sets is 6 and 7. Note that A complement contains 5, 6, 7 and B complement contains 1, 2, 6, 7. And A complement intersection B complement, it means intersection means common elements with both sets, and these are 6 and 7. So we color outside of these A and B sets, and this is called A complement intersection B complement. Next we have to show that commutative property of union A union B is equal to B union A. So we draw here, we show this commutative property with this help of Venn diagram. Set A have elements 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, and set B have elements 3 4 and 5. Universal set, we have no need to show here the elements of universal set because they have no part in this commutative property. A union B means all elements of set A with all elements of set B occurs only once. So we have colored them. And write A union B, this is equal to A and B. Because set B occurs first, we write elements of set B first and then write elements of set A, and it makes no change in their union because union contains all elements of both sets. We can write that B union A. If you feel uneasy, we can draw as B set here and A set here. 3 4 5 and 1 2, and we observe that B union A make no change by interchanging their place. Their elements are same and their union contains only all elements. So next we have A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. Set A and set B, we have to write elements of set A and B 1 2 and 5. We observe that A intersection B contains all common elements in both sets. If we have disjoint set or not overlap set, then we can say that this is an empty set. Next we have to find set B 5 3 4 1 2, and again we observe that B intersection A is having the same elements in common, and there is no difference between in the elements. And that's we have complete our third question of exercise 5.3.